Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. I am coming on today with a project share. I am in a summertime theme swap with a friend here on YouTube. She asked me a while back if we could do a summertime swap, and so I am just now getting around to getting her package together, and I wanted to share what I created. So what I decided to make for this swap, it's called an Easel loaded envelope. I did follow a tutorial here on YouTube, and I will link that tutorial down in the description box below if you'd like to check it out. It was very easy to follow, and I thought this was super cute. This is one of 100 things that I have in my bucket crafty list to create, so I knocked one off the list. So I think it came out absolutely adorable, so let's look at it. It stands up just like that, so you can display it on your desk if you wanted to. And then here is the side view. And as you can see, it's all decorated with that fun pattern paper. I believe I used an Echo Park paper. And then this is the back. All right, so I'm gonna start with the front pocket, and it says, "Hello Sunshine," and I used several dies from my stash to create this pocket. This pineapple, I believe, was a Momenta die that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. This bow die right here is my new Pink and Main bow die. I'm loving that bow die. And then I have several leaves that are dies from my stash. And then I have a stitched banner die that I used to create the banners. So super, super cute. And then I used Spellbinder's tab die to create this tab and stuck on a sticker that says "Totally Fun," and that came with the paper collection kit that I used. So in this first pocket, there's this pocket that has a little gusset, and then there's a pocket up here. So there's two pockets. I'll go ahead and take everything out of the first pocket so you can see what I included for my swap partner. This is how I packaged it all up. But I'm gifting her one of my ice cream cones that I made. Really, really cute. So she can take it off and use it in a future project. I love that ice cream. And then here is some super cute bows. And then you can see I used my dies to create the packaging. I used one of my bow dies from my stash. That bling is from Michael's. And then the super cute little tiny bow is the Pink and Main bow that I just recently picked up. And I absolutely love it. And I'm sorry for that glare, but it's really, really pretty packaging. And then here is some more handmade embellishments that I created. I used this scalloped square die and the nested stitched square die. That is from My Creative Time. And I love that die set. It's really pretty. And I'm giving her two hearts that I die cut out using more dies from my stash. And that's the back. I used double-sided paper. So the next pocket is up here, and there's another tab that I created, and it says Summer Fun. And I'll go ahead and take out what's in this pocket. And as you can see, I used this acetate bow that I created, and that is another steel rolled die from my stash. I love that bow die as well. It's really, really pretty. And the thing about steel rule dies is it cuts through different materials. So really, really love the way that came out. And I thought it was perfect to put on this little easel stand. Super, super cute. So what's inside that pocket is some more handmade embellishments. These are all the summertime embellishments that I created. This one says Big Hugs, but she can use these on some cards for summer themed cards. There's a watermelon and glitter. And then I just created some cute packaging using my dies. And again, that super cute little bow die that I'm loving from Pink and Main. So really, really cute. And next up is these little flip-flops that I created. And I've shared all these in the past, but I am gifting her some. And you can see these flip-flops are on dimensional. They're dimensional. I used some fun foam. And then this one is flat, but these are perfect to use on layouts or cards or whatever she pleases. And then I have my handmade stamp on the back. So I hope that she likes these. And then I'm also including a couple of these girls that I paper pieced together. This is a super cute die, and it's perfect for summertime. And there's like little drinks that I die cut out, and those little sunglasses that I cut out. Absolutely adorable. And again, I have my handmade stamp on the back. Really, really fun. And then I also included some cards. This is just from Michael's, and she can use these however she pleases. I just added a couple of these from Michael's, and it's ice cream, and I figured that's summertime, so it went with the whole theme. And then on the back of my easel, it looks like this. Sorry for the glare. I used a scallop die to create that little border on the top and the bottom. Really, really pretty. I used my really pretty heart that I die cut out, and this really pretty bow as well. And then I just included some die cuts for her. I die cut out some sunglasses and some little mini pink and mane bows. She's gonna absolutely love these if she doesn't have that die. So I figured I'd include some of those bows. And then these are just stickers from Michael's, and they're just summertime themed stickers. So I figured I would include some of those in my pocket right here for her. So I really hope she likes what I created. I think it came out super, super cute, and I just love the way that it just stands just like that. And then I also wanted to share with you, this is what the label looks like. So I'll mail it out to her like that. And this is just a fun way to decorate your packaging, and I like to do the printing on pattern paper and like include stickers and washi tape. So just to give you an idea of how to package up your swap. And then last but not least, I am gifting her a whole bag of goodies. And I included one of these little bags that I've made in the past and has goodies in here. And then I also have some more handmade bows, which are summer themed. That is a Jillian Vance design bow, in case you're wondering. Really, really cute. And then I loaded up this bag with dies and embellishments for her to play with. So I hope she likes what I created and what I'm sending. And I hope this gives you some ideas for a summer themed swap. All right, please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching. Check the description box below. I'll try to leave as many links as possible to items that I used today, and also the tutorial that I followed. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.